Hi everyone, we're going to be unboxing this new Marvel Gear and Goods crate from LootCrate. This is technically the March crate. They are a little bit behind. We just got the red crate, which was the January crate, so they're every other month. So even with the next crate, they'll still be behind because that should have been the May one. But the theme this year is 2020 is going to be colors. So we had the red crate, so now we have the blue crate. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So first we have what they call a camp mug. Looks like it's Beast themed because it says Beast on it from the X-Men. There's a chemical composition on the back, and it's been a while since I've taken chemistry, so I don't know what it is, but we will open up the box. And there it is, wrapped in bubble tape. It's a kind of a smaller mug, like you would have at like a campfire, having like hot chocolate. Blue with that same graphic with Beast inside the chemical compound on the side, and then on the bottom is the X-Men logo. And it says, "If found, please return to Professor McCoy, care of the Xavier Institute." Next we have a shirt, and it is a raglan shirt of Doctor Strange. So he is kind of a classic comic look to it, you know, Steve Ditko style, I think. So there we go. Another, I don't know that I associate Doctor Strange with blue, except he wears blue, not like Beast, who is blue. Moving on to red, white, and blue, we have this Captain America collapsible bowl. On the bottom it says honor, loyalty, courage, and sacrifice. And on the middle it has the Captain America shield. It has a carabiner here, so if you feel like you're going camping, seems like that's sort of the subtext of this theme. So that's the cover, and then you would pop it out, and you got a little bowl. So maybe good for, like, you know, drinking, not super big, but you know, especially maybe if you're going on a trip with some pets and you just need a small little water bowl, that'd be good too. So a Yondu whistle comes in here. It says, summon your own helpful Yaka arrow with the Yondu survival whistle. Made from advanced Centaurian technology, this IZZDB aluminum alloy whistle is great for camping, hiking, and intimidating subordinates. And then it's got on the packaging, it has Yondu with the whistle, and so that's a whistle, and it's got sort of the Yondu graphic styling on that side. Next we have the Captain America orienteering compass. So there's definitely a camping theme. It's got a lanyard you can go around your neck. Has sort of a ruler on one side, centimeters and inches. It's got the Captain Marvel logo with higher, further, faster on it. And next we have a Thor light up keychain. So let's open this one up. The packaging has Thor on it. It says, "Are you worthy? Click to summon lightning and illuminate the way." If you push the button, the tip lights up. So once again, probably really good if you're going camping. You can kind of keep in your pockets a little flashlight. You can see where you're going a little bit. And it has the keychain on it, so you can kind of attach it to everything. So otherwise, it's probably a great outdoors crate. Maybe it's better it came in June than it did in March. There is a QR code that will give you information about everything in the crate. But we'll find out what our next color is next time for our May crate, which is not going to come in May. Anyway, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.